The straight lines part 8 you will do today. Question number 8, exercise 10.2 NCERT exercise 10.2. Okay. The perpendicular from the origin, the perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units. Angle made by the perpendicular with the positive direction of x-axis is 30 degree. So this is which form? Question number 8. So it is a normal form. So normal form is that form in which when the perpendicular from the origin, this is x-axis and this is y-axis, this is origin and this is any line. Then perpendicular from the origin, its length is given and this angle is given. Then its equation, it is called normal form. So normal form of the equation is, we studied that x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So in this question, the length of perpendicular, this is length of perpendicular, small p, then capital P used to take. So here p is 5 units, small p is 5 units, length of perpendicular, and the angle which the line makes with the positive direction alpha is 30 degree. Substituting, please let us take equation number 1, substituting in first. We get x cos 30 degree plus y sin 30 degree is equal to 5. Then cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 x and sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 y is equal to 5. 2 is LCM, 2 will multiply on right hand side. So under root 3 plus y upon 2 and 2 will come right hand side. 5 to the 10, which is the required equation. Which is the required equation. Okay. The vertices of triangle PQR, P, Q and R, P, Q and R. Coordinates of P 2, 1, Q is minus 2, 3 and R is 4, 5. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. From the vertex R, if you draw a median, so this is the median which will be drawn from R. Median is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. We can take M. So we have to find the coordinates of the midpoint. And coordinates of the midpoint, you know that x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. The formula to find the midpoint. Therefore, here x1, y1 is 2, x2, y2 is minus 2 and 3. So this will become here x1 is 2, x2 is minus 2 upon 2, y1 is 1 plus 3 by 2. So coordinates of M will be 0 and 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 2, so 2. Now find the equation of MR. We have to find the equation of MR by using which formula? 2-point formula. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Now we know the points of M. We can find the equation of line MR by using the formula equation of line segment MR is y minus y1, equation of line passing through two given points, y minus y1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Substituting the values. Yes. So the coordinates of M and R. This is M. Coordinates of M. You can take x1, y1, and this is R. Sorry, this is R, and M is 0, 2. It doesn't matter. You can take x1, y1 this or that. No problem. Now, the equation will be y minus y1, y minus 5, y2 minus y1, 2 minus 5, x2 minus x1, 0 minus 4, x minus x1, x minus 4. So x1, y1, x1, y1, x2, y2. So equation will be y minus 5, 2 minus 5 minus 3 upon minus 4, x minus 4, this minus will cancel, 4 will multiply, 4y minus 5 4 is 20 is equal to 3x minus 3 4 is 12. So the equation will be 3x minus 4y, 20 will come here, 20 minus 12, 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. Question number 10. Find the equation of the line passing through the point perpendicular to the line through the point. Yes, minus 3, 5. A line is passing through minus 3 and 5. This line, suppose this is passing from this one and it is perpendicular to another line. Another line which is passing through 2 points, 2, 5, 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. Minus 3 and 6. So this is A point, suppose A, B, and this is C point, and suppose this is T point. So as you know, we have to find the equation of line CD. So we need to know the gradients. So gradient, you know that if two lines are perpendicular, then slope of line AB into slope of line CD will be equal to, their product will be equal to minus 1. So either you can take M1, M2, or you can find this is the slope. Suppose the slope of CD is M. Let slope of CD line is M. So then M into slope of this line. So first find the slope of AB, slope of AB line. Slope of AB is the line which is passing through y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Using this formula, we can find the slope of the line AB. So y2 is 6 minus 5 and x2 is minus 3 minus 2. So 6 minus 5, 1 by minus 5. This is the slope of this. And since CD is perpendicular to AB, therefore the product of their slope, that means slope of CD into slope of AB will be equal to slope of AB will be equal to minus 1, because if two lines are perpendicular, then we know that the formula is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 for perpendicular lines, and for parallel lines m1 is equal to m2. So slope of CD is supposed to be m into slope of this is minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1. So this 5 will come there. So m will be equal to minus 1, sorry. So minus minus cancel, m will be equal to 5. So m is equal to 5. Now equation of line CD we can find by using y minus y1 mx minus x1, because it is having the slope. So equation of line CD is y minus y1 m x minus x1, slope and 1 point form. So substituting y minus y1, y minus y1, x1 y1, this is x1 and this is y1, and slope is 5, m is equal to 5. So y minus y1 5, slope is also 5, x minus x1 minus minus plus 3. Multiply, we get y minus 5 is equal to 5 multiply inside, it will become 5x plus 5x plus 5 3 is 15. Okay, so this will become 5x minus y minus minus plus 15 plus 5 20 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the given line CD. So remember that when L1, I told you already that if L1 is perpendicular to L2 and their slopes are M1 and M2, then condition is always be applied M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. And if the line is parallel, suppose L1 is parallel to L2, then their slopes are equal. M1 is equal to M2.